Unfortunately, I think it might be. Explain it again. Second Kadan, please. Let's go. Please, let me see zero. Let me see zero.
Welcome to Lost Ark Melt. Please leave a like and subscribe. There we go. So he has to beep the again.
Beep the but that's okay. It makes it funnier.
Depositing.
To go inside or outside? Inside. There we go.
Huh? What? Frog. What cheese would you be if you were cheese? I would be like dick cheese.
Huh?
Can I send you a friend request, Rin? Yeah, you can. I'll delete Edo for you.
Waiting for better.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
What?
Where is he going?
Watch out for the fire, watch out for the fire, watch out for the fire.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yippee. I got caught again.
But thank you as always, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday night for the whole song and dance again. GG's, friends.
Later.
Bye-bye. We did it. 500 mil! How does he know? How does he know? Whoa!
Do you see that new Berserker rotation with the Ark Melt? He's darting all over the place. Wait, what is this?
What?
Hello, my old chum. I'm Gnotic Nelv. I'm Gnotic Noblin.
Fuck you! Stop!
I'm a
Demod him!
How do they still not see it coming? Cause his message was
Why did you read Ether Predator Relic?
You're
Okay,
I'm clipping that.
Doesn't pump quickly enough in Procal, then it's gonna go very badly. I need him to pump quickly. Ouch. Oh. Okay, that went badly.
What does that do? Feast where? If you can't find the feast, you can't do mechanics. I'm sorry. If you can't find feast, you can't do mechs. Sorry.
Oh no.
No way.
My favorite kind of milk is not oat. It's not cow. It's not even sheep's milk. I fuck heavy with the human breast milk.
Bro, we're winning. We're winning.
Hello, motherfucker.
Oh, scheiße.
And then our party, you have to bark, and I'll call you a good boy.
Okay, wait a minute.
Good dog hood.
What the fuck?
I'm pretty sure this one won't crit. Oh, look at it go. Look at it fall off the cliff. Look at it fall off. It's starting to fall off. 79. Oh, it's already falling off. It's already going down. 75, 76. Oh no! Oh, look at it fall off. It's not looking too hot.
Oh shit.
Oh no.
Bye, have a great time.
Alright. Alright, I attroed. I have to get upright, right? I attroed once. I didn't attro twice or anything, but I had to get upright.
Tread where they lead you, if you dare.
They want to see you.
I'm pausing.
It's just for a second.
What the hell is even that?
Yo, is that a bulge? What?
Sorry, I choked. I couldn't take myself. Why'd you take the portal?
You guys struggle with
I fucking hate that thing.
Yo, with unknown intent here. Thanks for watching the Melt this week. I don't think it's gonna be a weekly series, even though some of you may think it is. Thank you so much for sending in the clips of your favorite streamers. It means a lot because it alleviates a lot of the work that I have to put in. Be sure to check out all the streamers, new and old, that are featured in the video. I don't know when the next video is gonna come up. Until then, Godspeed.